Demonstrators take to the streets again to protest the burial of former President Ferdinand Marcos at the libingan ng mga bayani. This time, some lawyers and students wore black outside the University of Santo Tomas, where the bar exams were being held. Our Rex Remitio reports.
Marcos! No hero!
Black becomes the color of struggle for those against the burial of former President Ferdinand Marcos at the libingan ng mga bayani. On Sunday morning, lawyers and students wearing black picketed outside the University of Santo Tomas, where the bar exams were being held. They tried to cross España Boulevard, hoping to get near the main entrance where the bar takers were entering. But the Manila police imposed tight security and only allowed the demonstrators along the narrow center aisle of España. They had no choice but to hold onto metal railings. Manila Police Chief Joel Coronel says the demonstrators had no permit to hold the rally right in front of UST's main gate. Coronel also issued a stern warning for lawyers and bar takers who will disrupt the examinations.
Ibigyan po ng kaukulang aksyon ng Supreme Court. Ayon po kay Justice Velasco, lawyers might face disbarment proceedings and students might be prohibited from taking the bar exams. Kasi nga, you're an officer of the court eh. You respect the Supreme Court.
But for the demonstrators, the police action reminded them of how the late dictator restricted their freedom to assemble during martial law.
Nandito kami para unang-una nagduluksa, nagpaprotesta at hinahamon yung mga bar candidates.
Human rights lawyer and martial law victim Nery Colmenares says they're still pursuing legal options to stop the burial.
Nag-file kami nung isang araw ng isang motion to hold in abeyance na ang pagpalibing kay Marcos dahil pag inilibing si Marcos nang hindi pa tapos ang motion for reconsideration na baliwala na pala yung motion for reconsideration.
They're calling on bar examinees to fight for justice and democracy when they become lawyers. Only a few bar takers wore black as they believe the High Court's decision must be respected. Still, the protesters vow to hold more demonstrations until they can convince the public and President Duterte that Marcos doesn't deserve a hero's burial. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.